Bruce, when members of the Wayne family reach a certain age, some facts of life and business are explained.
Wayne Enterprises is committing serious crimes.
Oh my, yes. This is a multinational corporation, operating in hundreds of jurisdictions. We do our best to subvert all of them, if it means...
You admit it?
Just like your father. He came in with his secret files demanding justice. At first, then he changed his mind. Your father came to understand the reality of this business, as did his father, and as will you.
My father was a good man.
You have an opportunity to live a blessed life, the life your father and mother wanted for you. Bruce.